Next is modify toolbar. In modify toolbar, first command is move command. You can select move command by clicking here, or you can also type here shortcut key for move command M and press enter. I type here M, press enter. Now select any object which you want to move. I select this rectangle, press enter button again. Specify base point. I select this point for base point. Now enter here value of displacement. I want to move it vertically 100. I enter here 100 mm, press enter. It is moved from here to here 100 mm. Again I select move command. You can also move it at any angle. I select object, this object. First of all we have to turn off the ortho mode. Press F8. Now select this object. Press enter. Specify base point. I select this point for base point. Now put here value of displacement. I type here 150 mm. Type comma. Now put the value of angle. I enter here 70 degree. Press enter. This is shifted from here to here at 150 from its base point at 70 degree angle. Now I draw a line. Select move command. Select this line. Type enter. Specify base point. I select this point for base point. Displacement value. I type here 250 mm. Press enter.